over and done with. Over to you, Mr. Charles.
Thank you very much. It is the time for the stock market report, and we'll go straight to the report. Of course, we know that today is what today? 20th October.
Yes.
Does that date ring a bell?
Yes, so answers.
But anyway,
1 year.
anniversary. We our mind goes to the Nigerian youths, some of them that lost their lives during the NSAS protests, and we just believe that plead with the government to look at these issues critically, because today we've heard that some of the protesters have been arrested and all that.
Although the police is saying they've released them.
Okay. I mean,
But we don't know how true though.
the youth should be given that opportunity. People should be able to express themselves. However, we will not encourage any violent protest. And I know the Nigerian youths will not just come out on the street one day and start to destroy things. So I think we should learn from the lessons and see how we can improve when there are public protests like this. I think, but I will still give kudos to the Nigerian youths. It shows that Nigerian youths are not really lazy. And I'm sure the government is aware of that now. And the government will also be doing everything within their power to ensure that they create an enabling environment for the Nigerian youth to really aspire to become what they want to become. So straight to the stock market report, the ASI today closed in the positive territory, adding 0.26% to close at 41,249.7 basis points. At the close of business today, when the closing gong sounded, total volume of shares that exchange had was 499.5 million units of shares valued at over 5 billion naira in 5,905 deals. Looking at the sectoral performances today, NGS 30 closed in the positive territory, adding 0.32%. The insurance sector was also positive, adding 0.58%. The consumer goods sector, however, closed in the negative territory, losing 0.24%. The industrial sector was positive, adding 0.04%. The oil and gas and the banking sector closed in the negative territory, losing 0.39%, 0.2% respectively. Looking at the gainers charts today, I'm not surprised. NGX Group PLC added 10% today again to close at 21 naira 45 kobo. So you can see the NGX Group PLC is really adding value to its shareholders. And anyway, not advertising for them, but investors who want to create wealth can begin to look at talking to their brokers, looking at acquiring that security. NGS Group PLC added 10% today, maximum to close at 21 naira 45 kobo. The pharmaceutical giant Glasgow Smith also added 6.87% to close at 7 naira. We also have Nigerian Police Microfinance Bank added 5.85% to close at 1 naira 81 kobo. Wapik, the insurance firm, added 4.17% to close at 50 kobo. A tier 1 banker, one of the oldest banks in Nigeria today, FBNH, added 3.83% to make the list of gainers to close at 12 naira 20 kobo. Moving on straight to the decliners chart, topping that chart today is Prestige Insurance Company, losing 8.51% to close at 43 kobo. We also have Academic Press losing 8.33% to close at 33 kobo. Consolidated Hallmark Insurance PLC made the list of losers today, losing 8.33% to close at 55 kobo. Cadbury Nigeria PLC also made the list, losing 5.88% to close at 8 naira. Union Bank, big, strong, and reliable, made the losers list today, losing 5.66% to close at 5 naira. In the news today, the NGS regulation is in the process of delisting some companies as a result of post-listing requirements not being met. The NGS regulation is there to ensure that all the listed companies, they comply with the post-listing requirement. What is post-listing requirement? When you are already listed, you have met the listing requirement for the NGX Limited, you are listed. Now, there are also obligations. There are also things that you need to be doing. That's what we call post-listing requirement. You need to send your audited accounts to the market. You need to send quarterly reports, what is happening in your company, so that the market will have all your information. So the NGS regulation, that is the regulatory arm of the NGS group, is in the process of delisting some companies because they are not meeting their post-listing requirement. So we just encourage those companies to try their best to meet this requirement, and of course you will continue to enjoy that benefit of being listed on the NGS platform, which is a global platform, which is an international platform, which gives you that exposure to international capital, because the NGS platform is serving one of the largest economy in sub-Saharan Africa, and the stuff the NGS group is made of. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Charles, for that report. We'll go for a short break and we'll come back. We'll continue our conversation on financial crimes. So stay with us. We'll be back. It's your number one business radio.